Hi guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys the nursery tour. I know you guys have been waiting for a while and I just haven't had the time to get around to filming it. So today I'm going to show you guys all that we've done to transform this nursery so it could be a room for baby boy as well as for his sister. If you guys knew, last time when I had baby girl about 3 years ago, because her birthday is right around the corner, we painted the nursery pink. I have a video. I will link it in the description box if I remember. But you guys can check that video out to see what the room looked like before, even though I will have a before in this video as well as an after. Without further ado, don't forget to give today's video a big like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, as well as leave your comments down in the description box and let me know what you think. Also, I want to state that I do have another thing that's supposed to come in the mail. I don't know where it's at, but it's not going to arrive here for a little bit. That I'm going to add to the nursery, and I'm sure there will be things that will be added here and there over time. But anyways, let's get on with it. So just starting with the entranceway, I want to point out that hubby painted the outside of the door, but one key feature that we added, we changed the knobs. The knobs in our house is old, guys, so we changed it to this matte finish knob, which we really like. Coming through the door, as you guys can see, it kept the color pretty neutral. It's a really nice white that complements the house as well. So we're going to go over to the first station over here. I picked this up before. I knew it was a boy or girl. I found it at Winter's Home Sense and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. It's pastel colors. Sorry for the reflection, but it says, "You'll never know, dear, how much I love you." And underneath that is a bookshelf, which I absolutely love. I picked this up at IKEA, and then these baskets are actually from, my old change table, which I will show you guys. All I did was remove the pink covering because it was very girly. I removed the pink covering and then I just used it to house like the cute little baby books. So that is the bookshelf there. We have stuffies and we have different things in these bins. Stuffies, dress up, and some more books. So panning to the left is, first of all, there's Sifrin in the corner. He's just a stuffy that my daughter got and loves to play with, and he's just kind of squished in there. But moving to the left, you guys, this is one of my favorite things in the nursery because as much as I wanted to keep it neutral, I also wanted to keep the hint of girl and the hint of boy. So, you know, they both live here. They both are going to be in here. And for the time being, it's only baby girl that will be in here whenever she's ready. And I wanted it to be really cute and girly in the sense that it encompassed some of the things that she loved. And one of the things that she really loves are unicorns. She adores unicorns. I might want to say that the theme began from this decal. I did have this from before when I had baby girl, but like I said, it's neutral. We have things with blues and different colors as well as that, and so that definitely goes with this. I found this sheet set on Amazon and I really love it. I have to say that underneath the fitted sheet did not work because this is apparently a crib sheet set, not a toddler sheet set, though it said otherwise, but it worked out really well. Okay guys, so it's a bright and sunny day, as you guys can see. Not trying to blind you, but moving on, hubby and I decided we need to replace the curtain rod, and that's the one that we use. It's really nice, and he extended it a little bit longer so it gives the illusion that the room and the curtains are longer or are taller. These curtains are absolutely beautiful. I bought them from a vendor on Amazon. They are thick, they block out light, and the colors themselves are just gorgeous. And as you can see, it looks really nice tied in with the room in general. Okay, so moving a little further to the left, hubby and I put up this bookshelf. I really like the idea. And so this is what we did. Mind you, it's not organized right now. I had this Christmas photo and I didn't know where to put it, so I just kind of stuck it there. But it is a bookshelf that will house basically books and little stuffies. One of the older girls drew this picture, as well as this picture for Zoe and Zavi, and I really want to find a place to put them in the room. My favorite shelf is this one because it's essentially the same shelf, just flipped upside down, and when it's flipped upside down you can use it to hang stuff. So Zavi currently has some onesies, long sleeve onesies right here that he hasn't worn yet. I think they're 3 months or 6 months. This one says no mistletoe. He technically should be able to wear this 3 to 6 months because it's Christmas time when I'm filming this. And then moving further this way, so we just made a big giant square. One of the first things that we did take care of was put the shelf back up that we had. It wasn't here in the first place, but I really like the shelf and I wanted to keep it. So right now, I don't know if it's really organized. It just has a bunch of stuff on it right now, and that's what it looks like. Just a cheap wooden shelf, and I really like it. Moving down, this little caddy here I bought from Amazon, and honestly, it is being used to house most of his stuff, like his diapers, his, what do you call this? Oh, I can't remember. Nose Frida, his brush, Vaseline, wipes, body washes and stuff, which are technically supposed to be in the bathroom. Just things of that kind. This basket is super cute. Really love it. And I like the fact that it was neutral so it could tie in with the dresser, which I will get to in a minute. He's got a little piggy bank up here, and then there's this old picture from Zoe. This was given to her by my sister, so that's really cool. This is Zavi's board sign, name sign, and I'm thinking if I want to keep this theme, I might just order one and do one for Zoe as well, and then I can actually put it up in their room. So moving to the left of that is this change pad, and I had this from before, but I didn't really have any neutral change pad cover, so I bought this one on Amazon, which I really like. So right above the change table, there is this sign. It says, "Dream big, little one." Hubby and I were looking for quite some time to try to find a nice sign to go above the change pad, but it was really hard finding the right one. I kind of think that this sign would have looked kind of perfect over the bed, but I don't know, we opted to put it on the other side, which I absolutely love. So we also picked up this dresser, and we really loved it. It's from Babies R Us. I wanted one that did have like the divider on both sides, like had the divider that way baby boy could have one side and baby girl could have the other. And I also wanted it to be large enough as well to be able to fit all their clothes. I'll give you guys a quick glance. Ignore the drawers. Overall, they have been used because by the time I am filming this video, baby boy has been here for pretty much 4 weeks. So yeah, things have been used. So it's not like the exact same state that it was originally when I was done this. And so in the top drawer you saw onesie and the little sleepers. In this bottom drawer here, or the second drawer, we have pants, a lot of pants, and some washcloths. Things may not stay this way, but it'll get easier as he's here. This bottom drawer is kind of random, but yeah, things may not stay this way, guys. Sorry, you guys can see that I'm in a totally different outfit because I forgot to film this clip, but things may not stay this way. It all depends on just how functional it is. I want the room to be functional. I want things to be functional, but before having him, I just wanted to make sure everything had a space, basically. Oh, yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Like I said, there are things that might get not changed around, but just, I don't know, as time progresses, we'll see what we add or take away from the room. But that's overall the nursery tour. Oh, I also wanted to point out that before, this room was just like a blank wall, and hubby did the chair rail all the way around this room. You would have seen that he had done it for the other video as well when baby girl's nursery was painted pink, but I wanted to put that out, that the chair rail it brought this room to a whole new level, and it just, I don't know, just made it look really nice overall.